Good morning to all of you, and today we are going to discuss about English. What is the importance of English in our personal life and professional life? English is a very useful language, right? Not only local level up to the world level. If you are standing in your own country, if you are standing other country, anywhere you can express your views in English, because English is regarded international language, English is regarded global language, English is regarded technical language, English is regarded all up to the global level, right? Many fields there are in which if you are master and blaster of English, you can make your career, you can make very blooming career, right? Just you can take the example. अगर आप एग्जाम्पल लें तो यू कैन गो ताज महल एंड यू कैन सी ओवर देयर मैनी गाइड्स आर देयर, दे हैव नो डिग्री, राइट? They have not taken any kind of, only they are able to speak properly in English and they earn lot of money. If you can go in call center, right, in call center you can speak better, you can get the many opportunities and many other fields. I am not saying that degree is not important, degree is also important. Degree plays 70% role, sorry 30% role, and practical skills and soft skills, they play the 70% role in your life. And today one ma'am is here, Rashmi ma'am, and she is teaching in a school and she has completed MA in English, right? And she has taken guidance under me of English, and right now she is searching the better opportunities, and we are going to discuss. Ma'am would speak about the personal, and after that I would like to ask you some questions and she will give the answer. So first of all, you can speak your intro, your hobbies, strong point, weak points, and your plannings in future, what you want to do in your life.
Very good morning all of you and respected sir. I am Rashmi. I belong to Bareilly. My husband name Mr. Manoj Kumar. I have completed my MA with English and B.Ed. Now at present I am learning English language in Syndicate Academy and I am teaching in a school, but I am searching a better opportunity in other schools because I am taking guidance under the guidance of R.P. Gangwar sir, and I am grooming my personality. And I am learning English. English is my favorite subject, and I am learning English because it has many opportunities.
Yes, you are right. Next, you can tell me what do you think about that? What is the role of English in our personal life and professional life?
English is a very important for personal life and professional life, in both life. In personal life, in day to day, if we speak simple words in our family, our children's and the members of our family, grooming their personality, and it show that we are a learned person.
Yes.
And if professional, if we have the good knowledge of English and we have don't any degree of English language, we can get much and more money.
Yes. इससे पूछिए कि can you stand your life on English?
Yes, I have established my life with the help of English, and English give me everything, and it's the subject which glue my personality.
Yes, you are right. At this time, what do you think about that? After completing MBA and BTech and many other degrees, many students they are not able to get a good job, अच्छी नौकरी नहीं मिल रही. What is the role of English in for the students?
At present, we are seeing that most of the students who have completed MA, B.Ed, PhD, and most of the their knowledge, but they are not getting a best opportunity because they don't have the best knowledge of English. If we are not good in his subject and don't get the higher marks, but he have the full knowledge of English, we can get better opportunity in all these field.
Yes. And next you can tell me about that. Mostly teachers, mostly schools, they give the ad in the newspaper, only we want convent educated candidates. What do you think about that? Those people, those candidates who have completed study from convent schools, they can speak better English, and UP board students cannot speak better English. What is your opinion about this?
I have seen most of the students who
And many ads they are coming in that we want to hire only convent educated teachers.
yes sir, most in the newspaper we see that we need convent teachers. It is not good because and UP board students can also find a best place where the base of his learning.
Yes, it is also regarded as there कि those students who have completed from UP board, right, and they can speak better English if they can do the practice of proper English speaking. If you can upgrade your vocabs, if you can uplift your vocabs, if you are doing टंग प्रैक्टिस कहते हैं कि अगर आप रोज़ बोलने का अभ्यास करते हैं then you can speak better. Because it doesn't matter, many students and they come to me and many teachers they come to me and they learning, they are right now teaching in convent educated and they have taken their education in convent schools, but still they are not able to speak properly. So it doesn't matter कि many schools are saying कि only we want to hire convent educated candidates. That is not right, is there, right? ये चीज़ बिल्कुल सही नहीं है कि they can speak, all people can speak English if you can do the practice properly, right? Next, you can tell me what do you think about that? What scope you are watching in English in coming time?
In coming time, English is very important in every step. As the passage of time, we see that every parents want to teach their children in only convent school.
Yes.
They do not want to admit there in UP board because it is a time of English, not a time of Hindi.
Yes.
Hindi is our mother tongue. English is not our mother tongue. English is other language in and most of the parents want on their children only speak English. It is the based of their background, not based on